What's up, you guys, and welcome to the Sound Effects Challenge.
This Bond going to infiltrate a secret base in a waterfall in the Amazon rainforest.
The bush.
Oh, somebody died.
Wait. I think that might be a.
Oh, there's a little pygmy man. He just ran across there.
Hi. Okay, let him pass.
A leprechaun.
Wait, he's coming.
Whispering, making secret plans.
725.
3, 2, 4, 7.
Bound.
That's too many numbers. He's trying to throw us off.
Okay, there's the waterfall. It looks so.
It's like falling in spurts.
It's a broken waterfall.
It stops.
Okay, wait.
And then keeps going. Helicopter.
Stop.
Somebody was enjoying watching us. It dried up.
Let's go. Get
Wait,
under.
the helicopter stopped it. Hey, what was the code again?
7, 2, 5, 6, 7, 5. Press the X twice.
Thank you.
Okay, 7.
Beep, boop, beep, boop.
Oh, you're hurting it.
Oh, too hard. Can be gentle.
Beep, bop, ooh,
Twice, right?
ooh.
Oh, we're in.
It's open. The door's opening.
Thanks, doorman.
Hey, look at what it is.
Hide. Let the guard pass.
Oh, never mind.
We're the pizza man. We're delivering pizza.
Pizza.
What
right
do
here.
pizza man need to hold hands for? Why are you
My pizza.
Right here. Here's your pepperoni large.
Oh,
angry? Whoa, you ate the whole thing. From your butt.
I don't like butt pizza.
Oh, thanks. I'm leading the scene. All right, so the scene is rock climbing with your grandma, and she has several bouts of amnesia. It's poop. Oh, well, whatever. I'll change you later. 3 points of contact at all times.
Ooh, it's a mountain.
It's wet.
Are you tripping? Are you cripping?
Poop your pants again?
Why do I keep pooping? Is that the only sound effect that exists? I'm touching a mountain right now. Where is it?
Where's what? Grandma, I'm here. Oh. It's your grandson, Joey.
What's your name?
I just told you.
I forgot it.
Coming. Oh, whoa.
Did you break your ankle and defecate? I've done that twice today. What is that?
Oh, it's beautiful. Wow, there's something wrong with this gun. It's,
Show you how it's
I'm
done.
gonna kill that bird.
Let me show you how it's done.
Next scene. Brian is terrible. Sound effect.
Welcome, new employee. I'm gonna show you. Was that you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because if that was you, I'm gonna fire you. Shut that faucet off while I'm talking. Are you
humming
kidding
microwave?
me? Now let me show you.
Is there a gun?
No
Someone's
guns
like-
in the office. Let me show you. Betty, what did I tell you about getting turned on? A bag of toast. Like, that's wrong.
It's a quiet bag of toast.
This bag of toast is done. Get a bag of untoasted bread. It's all wet. The people at the office here, they don't clean out the toaster. Sometimes they defecate in it.
You won't get electrocuted?
Now we wait.
You didn't grab it. Did you grab it? I didn't hear you grab it.
There it is. It was just floating. Oh, it just dissolved the toast.
Sourdough make a different sound.
Yeah, this is sourdough. It speaks to me. It speaks to me different levels. This toast is still sticky. Out of the air.
That was a great catch.
Get the butter. I think I spread it too much. Now taste it.
Did I get it out? A zookeeper bringing all his animals to a kid's birthday party, and they all escape.
Okay, Brian's the kid. J. Fred is the zookeeper.
Excuse me. Oh, are you clapping for me? I can't hear it.
Clap.
Are you one of those silent kids? Wow. It's there we go. Oh, there you go. His asthma's gone. He's over there. That's the monkey noise. Whoa!
It can talk.
I didn't know you could
that
talk,
Caesar?
Coco. Oh, you must smell really bad or something. He's a little chihuahua. Get a deep glump. All right.
That's poop. Stole it. Video surveillance right here.
What is that? How do you keep catching up to me? I'm gonna go through that mall right there with all those people.
Now she's gonna exact revenge.
So you're gonna take my hamster from me?
You ran over that a mile back.
But don't take him from me, please.
Can I see him? Can I just see him?
Will you give him back?
Yes. It's
Okay,
choking.
give him CPR, cop. You just ate my hamster.
Thank you.
Guys, that was really terrible. We hope you loved it. Nobody really lost that challenge, so nobody's spinning the wheel, but thank you so much for watching, and tune in next time because we upload Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Click this video if you...
Hi.